My life wasn't perfect, I know that now.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I've got plenty of cleaning motivation for y'all. I just finished cooking and I'm going to be cleaning the kitchen and getting everything back in order. And I'm also going to be cleaning some areas in my kitchen that I haven't cleaned in a while. So stay tuned. So before we get into this video, I want to thank my friends at ADORIC for sponsoring this part of the video. They reached out to me to try their bamboo memory foam pillow, and since I am always searching for the perfect pillow for a good night's sleep, I was happy to do so. This bamboo memory foam pillow is made of memory foam that doesn't stick together, which also guarantees air circulation, and it also helps to avoid bacterial growth. This pillow is great for people who sleep with a pillow between their knees, and it's also great for back and side sleepers and people who prefer pillows that are rated from medium to firm. So basically, this pillow can accommodate anybody. Now this pillow comes in 3 different sizes: king, queen, and standard. And all you need to do to get started is simply remove the pillow from its packaging and place it in the dryer for 10 minutes on low so that it can expand to its full size. If you do not have a dryer, then you can just knead the pillow and let it air out for at least an hour. Y'all, I am absolutely in love with this pillow. I suffer from neck pain due to a previous injury. I tried this pillow out the next day and I was only going to nap for 20 minutes. And when I woke up, it was 45 minutes later. So I highly recommend this pillow. If you are interested, I will have my link in the description box below with the 10% off discount code Michelle. Okay, y'all, let's go ahead and get this kitchen clean. I had made a couple of dishes for us to eat on over the weekend because y'all know your girl don't like to cook. So I just made sure that we would have something that we could pop in the microwave and heat up real quick.
Why are you going back and forth? I can't keep up with your mood swings. What is trouble in your mind? Are you doing this just to test me? I'm bad at handling this type of thing. Why I don't get it, you say it's a man thing. Babe, I wanna be alright.
So I always like to start with the dishes first. So I'm going to get the dishes washed and put away, and then I'll move on to cleaning the countertops.
Get through to you, yeah. If you let your guard down, baby, this is.
If you're new here, welcome and thank you for stopping by. I would love for you to leave a comment down below to say hi and introduce yourself. I'm Tiffany. I'm a wife and mother of 2, and I love to create cleaning, decorating, and organizing videos. If that's something you enjoy, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and click that bell before you go. I would love for you to join my YouTube family.
What is trouble in your mind? Baby, why can't you just tell me? I just wanna be your bride, wanna be. I wanna give our love wings. You're not letting me, yeah, get through to you. Yeah, if you let your guard down, baby, this is what I'll do. I'll do. Love you, I will love you, I will
And I'm using the Home Implanted multi-purpose spray and a Arm & Hammer microfiber cloth to clean my stove and countertops. And y'all, I can't say enough about these Arm & Hammer microfiber cloths. Look at the shine they put on my stove and countertops. Normally, I would go back over everything with my Behold furniture polish, but I can definitely skip that step today. And before moving on to cleaning anything else, I'm going to clean my sink. Y'all, cleaning my sink is my absolute favorite thing to clean in my kitchen. I love having a clean and shiny sink. And after I clean it, I always add essential oil to my garbage disposal and my drain. And right now, I'm loving the rose scent essential oil. It's by Mainstays, and I get it from Walmart. My other favorites are peppermint and spearmint. Y'all leave me a comment down below and let me know what's your favorite thing to clean in your kitchen.
First time I saw you, I knew all the time. It was something in the air that night, and in the way you looked at me. I get nervous when.
So now I'm going to clean the AC vent, and once I'm done with that, I'm going to wipe all the doors down.
My world turned upside down. Just say that you won't go and break my heart. Break my heart, don't break it now. Remember, it's the only one I've got. The one I've got. Don't break my heart. Don't break my heart. Don't break my heart. Don't break my heart. Wanna tell you how I feel, instead of keeping it all inside. So hard with you, I don't know why. Believe me, boy, I've tried. When you're near me, my heart fills up with butterflies.
And right here, I was trying to open it up so I could clean the inside, but the little screw that was on there was too tight, so I just had to wait for my husband to get home.
Just say that you won't go and break my heart. Break my heart, don't break it now. Remember, it's the only one I've got. The one I've got. Don't break my heart. Don't
Okay, so now that I've cleaned all the doors, I'm going to get the windows cleaned. And once I'm done cleaning the windows, I'm going to clean the little table that's in my breakfast area.
My life wasn't perfect, yeah, I know that now. When it came crashing down, all I know is that I need you around. When it comes crashing down, all I need is not to feel so much alone. So step inside my zone, baby, you can give me everything I want. Everything I want. You are all I need now. It's crazy, but it's true. You're all I
And the last thing I needed to do was sweep and mop.
You make my heart and spirit always dance and sing. You're captivating me. All I need is to know that I'm in your heart and never be apart. All I need is not to feel so much alone. So step inside my zone, baby. I can give you everything you want. Everything you want. You are all I need now. It's crazy, but it's true. You're all I need. And I know everything will be alright. Wanna go now. Take me to your paradise. You are all I need. All I need now. Yeah. It's crazy, but it's true. Crazy, but it's true. You're all I need. You are all I need now.
So my husband had just gotten home from work, and I was talking to him and telling him how my energy level had just gone down real quick and I just had this really bad pain in my side. So he just stepped in and took over.
What you hiding from me? What you holding back? I think I saw you with another. I think I saw your hand slipping down. That look, that face smiling back at you. It was so easy when we met. Future ahead of us, making memories. Our only hope is to forget and keep that passage closed for centuries. 'Cause I can take it anymore. Forgetting what I'm fighting for. And your words just stop, don't hold me back. Don't hold me back. Just let me go, just let me go. I need to get it off my mind before it devours all my energy. So hard to leave it all behind. I write my pain down in a melody. My heart is just another melody. So before I get over you, I'm gonna sing it now. 'Cause I
Okay, y'all, we've come to the end. I hope that I was able to give you some motivation. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and click that bell so you never miss an upload. And don't forget that you can follow me on Instagram at TiffanyMichelle76. Thanks for watching. God bless, and I'll see you in the next one.